Hi, everybody, it's Ms. Salazar, and welcome to Grammar. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to review subject, object, reflexive pronouns, and action verbs. You're going to need your notebook and your pencil. Now, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to write these 6 sentences in your notebook, and you need to identify the correct pronoun for each sentence. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to decide which pronoun best completes the sentence, and then once you've decided for your pronoun, you're going to circle the pronoun that you've chosen. So, for example, it says, You or me really like scary movies, don't you? So, what pronoun would work in this sentence? Would it be the pronoun you or the pronoun me? You really like scary movies, don't you? Me really like scary movies, don't you? So, which pronoun would you choose? And then you're going to circle the pronoun that you choose. And you're going to do the same thing with number 2. I really like he. I really like him. So, what pronoun do you think best completes the sentence? And then you're going to circle that pronoun. So, that is what you're going to do um, on this slide, okay, using these 6 sentences. After you've done doing this, you're going to do this. You're going to classify the pronouns as subject, object, or reflexive. Okay, so you have all the pronouns here mixed up, and then you need to write them on the correct column. So, how are you going to write this in your notebook? In your notebook, you're going to write all of these pronouns just like you have them right here. You're going to write all of the pronouns like you have it right here in your notebook, and then you're going to draw the table, right? And you're going to make sure that you have 3 columns, and then in each column you're going to make sure that you have them labeled. So the first column, it's supposed to say subject pronouns. The second column, it's supposed to say object pronouns. And the third column, it's supposed to say reflexive pronouns. So again, you're going to write all of these pronouns in your notebook just like you have them right here. You're going to draw this table in your notebook, making sure that each column you make sure to write the title, subject pronouns, object pronouns, and reflexive pronouns, and then you're going to write all the correct pronouns where they belong. Okay, so that is what you're going to do here. You're going to classify the pronouns as subject, object, or reflexive. And then the last thing you're going to do is that you're going to write these 8 sentences in your notebook, and you're going to use pronouns and verbs to complete the sentence. Now, I'm not giving you the pronouns or the verbs. You have to come up with the pronouns and come up with the verbs, okay? That's what you're going to do. So, number 1, it says blank like blank to the beach with my family. So, what pronoun would go here and what verb would go here in these blank spaces? So you have to come up with the pronouns and you have to come up with the verbs in order to complete each sentence, okay? So number 1, blank like blank to the beach with my family. Number 2, blank likes to blank like a frog. Number 3, Hallie wants blank to blank with her to school. Number 4, you need to check blank. Number 5, blank birthday is in 2 days. The blue book belongs to blank. That dog blank like a cheetah. Maria and blank enjoy blank at the park. So again, you have to come up with the pronouns and the verbs to complete each of these sentences, and you're going to write these 8 sentences in your notebook, okay? If you guys have any questions about the assessment, let me know. Bye, everybody.